So, it's pre-Thanksgiving, and Chef Will is in the kitchen. While he will not divulge the ingredient that he used to get this turkey seasoned, he's allowing us to watch. We'll make it happen. Here we go, flipping the camera. Okay, Chef Will. I'm not going to put your face on because you just rolled your eyes on me. But he's there. See the hands? See the gloves? Mm-hmm. He just showed me one of his techniques using this ginormous needle. One of the keys to making the turkey juicy. He seasoned one side of the turkey after giving a nice massage with some olive oil. And now he's flipping over the other side of the said turkey to do what he does with the ginormous needle. And I'm going to stand up to get a good angle. He is inserting chicken broth into the turkey. Would have never thought to do this. This is why he's a chef and I'm in training. I said to him, I saw one year where it said to cook the turkey upside down so that all the juices would flow to the breast. And this is the Chef Will way to insert the juices prior to cooking. It looks like it's painful. However, no one cares. The turkey is in the daggone roaster pan. So I'm going to pause and stop for now until we get to the seasoning. So now we are back for the seasoning of said turkey. Chef Will, how many pounds is this turkey?
15.5 pounds.
15.5 pounds. And he actually made me guess what the secret seasoning was, which I will not share because it's a secret. So he already seasoned the bottom half, the bottom of the turkey. And like I said, he rubbed it first with olive oil so that the seasoning will stick to the bird and not slide off while it's cooking. Any words of chef wisdom as you do this, sir?
I'm a gentleman. Imagine this to be your lady on Thanksgiving night. She gets to gently rubbing her down while listening to that Teddy Pendergrass telling you to turn off the lights. Because the lights will be off this turkey once it go in the oven. But turkey won't get Teddy Pendergrass. You're going to get a little Nelly when it's hot in here.
Chef Will got jokes. So the original plan was to cook the turkey tomorrow. However, Chef Will, have you changed your mind? Or are you going to let it marinate overnight?
I think I'm going to let it marinate.
Okay. So I've asked you a question maybe earlier today or yesterday. When people talk about brining the turkey, I'm sure people would like to know, what does that mean?
Well, what I just did with the, I like to call it my culinary syringe. I just brined the turkey by injecting stock directly into the meat. That will keep it cool, soft, moist, not dry it out. But you also have to be conscious to not overcook the turkey. So, several ways you can brine. You can brine with kosher salt and water. I am not a salt fanatic, so I don't use that.
Okay.
Low sodium chicken broth works just fine.
Any particular brand or
butter? I use an organic brand, but if you have the time and you want that more buttery taste, you can melt your butter down and basically do what you saw me do, which is to inject it directly into the meat.
Okay.
Ideal temperature for a turkey, it's about 350, 325, depending on how quick you want it. But I tend to stay at 325 and use my wonderful temperature gauges.
Hold on, let me zoom in. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop for now because I believe he's done seasoning. Are you?
I am.
All right. Stay tuned. This bird is looking good already and it's not even cooked. I'm just saying. We are back once again. Now, Chef Will is taking the lovely seasoned bird and picking him up, or her, or whatever it was, to put into a roasting bag. So, Chef Will, why do you do that? Like, what does the bag got to do with it?
Well, it's another method of moisture. There's going to be juices that will come out of this turkey while it's going through its process. It will be seasoned, and it will evaporate back into the meat, thus keeping it moist. Once I'm done, the turkey's done, we'll take it out of the roasting bag, put it back in the oven for about 20 minutes, just to get a nice little glaze on her.
I have a question.
I might have an answer.
How can you tell if the turkey's a boy or a girl?
This is why people like you are not allowed in kitchen.
That's not very nice. I had to ask that. I saw a video on social media where the little boy was cleaning the turkey. And the mother asked, is the turkey a girl or boy? And as he was removing the giblets and he got to the neck, he said it was a boy.
Let me guess, he thought the neck was the boy's...
Winky.
Yeah.
Oh, God. A little culinary humor. Oh, goodness. All right, y'all. It looks like